Hi. I'm Sierra, obviously. This is Lana.
Hey.
And we're going to burp.
She makes my voice sound manly, but it's really just her. I just want to fade that one out for the crowd.
I sound like I'm 12. Leave me alone.
And I can't burp as well as her. That's why I'm eating candy corn. It helps me burp. I'm almost done with the whole thing. Nailed it. If you start projectile vomiting right next to me, I'm gonna kill you.
Okay, your turn.
Ow! Okay. Together now.
Okay, ready? 1, 2. I can eat.
I don't even know you.
I can taste it. They're crazy.
Oh my gosh.
Do you hear how loud that one was?
Why do I suck at life?
Ew, it gets like that after I burp a while. Baby.
Ew, okay, what'd you eat? Honestly, it kind of smells like pizza.
That's so crazy. Chinese food.
Fried candy corn. Wait, I can honestly burp better than I have.
What? Oh my god, I'm so
Wait,
sure.
I'm actually a little bit better than you might think, people.
She is. Go ahead.
Wait, no, I need. Can you just keep doing something while I... That was a little bit better.
She did it!
Ew, it smelled though.
Oh, I can't smell.
Did you hear that? Ew, okay, it's really starting to smell in here. Do you smell it? It smells like old soy sauce.
Oh, my stomach. That was fake. Ow! Ow, don't make me laugh.
Ew,
It
ew,
hurt.
ew, okay.
Ew.
I just don't want you to... Wait.
It's your room, not mine.
I'm accidentally swallowing the air. I don't think that's good for you. Ew. Alright.
Good?
You're gonna make
Good?
me puke. Bye, y'all.
Are you gonna stop it?